Bubble.io has been gaining attention as a leading no-code app builder, but does it really live up to the hype? Today we're diving into its features and user experience to see if it's the right fit for your app development needs. Bubble.io is designed to empower users to create web applications without needing to code. At its core, it allows you to build fully functional apps using a visual interface, which is appealing for entrepreneurs and small businesses looking to launch quickly. The drag and drop editor stands out, letting you design your app's layout and functionality intuitively. However, while the platform is user-friendly, there's a learning curve involved, especially when it comes to more complex features. Users might feel overwhelmed by the array of options available, and the documentation, while comprehensive, can sometimes be a bit dense for beginners. It's also worth noting that Bubble.io caters to a wide audience from startups to established companies, but it may not completely satisfy those looking for advanced customization. Overall, the platform has a lot to offer, but some aspects could feel a bit unclear or require more guidance. So, what are the pros and cons of Bubble.io? On the positive side, its no-code approach is a huge advantage for non-technical users, allowing for rapid prototyping. The ability to integrate with various APIs and plugins is another strong point, giving users flexibility in functionality. On the downside, some users report frustrations with the performance of apps created on Bubble, especially as they scale. There can also be limitations with mobile responsiveness, which is crucial for today's users. Trust concerns may arise as well, given that the platform is relatively new in the landscape of no-code tools. Pricing is another factor to consider. While it offers a free tier, the costs can add up as you scale your app and need more features. In conclusion, Bubble.io is a solid choice for those looking to dive into no-code app development, especially if you're focused on web applications. However, if you're after a highly customized platform or need extensive mobile features, you might want to explore alternatives. Overall, it's worth trying out if you fit its target audience.